The vehicle came to a stop at 83rd Avenue East and 160th Street East. Passenger fled on foot and the driver stayed in the vehicle.
157 Harbor Block. Now I got a tractor sticks at 160th.
Roll down your window. Show me your hand.
Additional deputies arrived and the female driver was taken into custody.
Lay flat, arms out, you come up and put in cuffs.
All right, you ready?
Go ahead and cuff her. No one else in the car?
Just my dog.
Puyallup PD arrived with canine ICE to help track down the second suspect.
Come on now!
Come out with your hands up!
You will get bit by a dog if you run! Come out now! Put your hands up!
Put those hands up!
If you run, you will get bit!
Come on out! Drop down on your knees! Don't move, you understand?
I know.
Yeah, there you are. You got any weapons on you?
No. Please don't let the dog run into me.
Yeah, you be cool and we'll be cool, right?
That's when you're done running, I'm scared of you.
What's that?
I'm scared if people didn't stop you. That's why
Yeah, they do. Probably shouldn't have ran.
I'm scared. That's why I'm running, because I don't want to be shot.
After taking these suspects into custody, deputies searched for and found the firearm thrown out of the vehicle. Both suspects were booked into the Pierce County Jail for assault in the first degree, and the driver had an additional charge of felony eluding.